I had a little dog,
Hmm.
Monty. He was a Lhasa Apso. तो एक दिन मैं उसे वॉक के लिए ले जा रहा था. सतलुज धीर, जो पंकज धीर का जो भाई है,
Yes.
he saw me. He said, "Sun, tomorrow I've got an ad." I said, "Ad? अरे कुछ फोटोज निकालने हैं. I didn't know you're here. I was searching for a model. तो तू आजा." तो जाते समय he cut out a check and he gave me money. I said, "What is this for?" He said, "For your work." I said, "Just click photographs." I didn't do no work. कौन सा काम है? तो फोटो खींचे भाई. फोटो खींचे के पैसे मिलते हैं. बोलता हाँ, you modeled.
अच्छा.
आपके पोस्टर छपेंगे, देखना बहुत खूबसूरत पोस्टर. दैट्स माय फर्स्ट जॉब व्हिच आई गॉट. माय पेरेंट्स वर इन सेंट्रल अमेरिका, पैनामा. मैं वहां पला पड़ा हूँ. दैट टाइम देयर वाज अ वॉर इन पैनामा. अमेरिका had attacked Panama. It was very bad in Panama, very bad. That time I decided to come to India and be with my grandmother also. She was not keeping too well. I was staying with her. She started getting better and that's the time I started getting work in the industry. उन दिनों में ना we had the big दिग्गज actor, the Vinod Khanna. That time Salman was just starting his career. लोग कहते हैं कि आज मुश्किल है to join the industry. That time it was 10 times more difficult, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
तो याद है मैं यहाँ पे काम कर रहा था, तो आफ्टर फिनिश माय शूट मैंने पैसे भी नहीं मांगे. प्रोड्यूसर, आप पैसे नहीं मांगते हो? मतलब मांगना पड़ता है. मतलब हाँ, मांगना पड़ता है पैसे. दे दो फिर. What are the chances of me who's just lost house who will win a house with my name on it? There can be no bigger miracle than this.
Absolutely.
जब जो चीज हम चाहते हैं और जो नहीं मिलती ना, उससे बेटर हमेशा हमारे पास आता है.
Fact.
अगर आप सुबह उठते हो, आप उनके बारे में सोचो जो आज उठ ही नहीं पाए. It's everything about life is a blessing. I've grown up with the Guru Granth Sahib in my house, so I was very curious. क्या लिखा है? Why does my mother take so much of care? कि अगर भगवान है तो वो सामने प्रकट क्यों नहीं होते? There is too much of sadness and negativity which is being spread. The only way we can deal with it is if we become mentally conscious about being positive. एक खुश आदमी खुशियां फैला सकता है.
Absolutely.
कि भाई जो आई एम फीलिंग टुडे इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ मी, somebody has made me feel that way. Otherwise, I'm a happy person. Social distancing from negative people, you will be positive. मैंने book लिखी है I Quotes. I Quotes is a spiritual book. And one thing is living in the now.
Yeah.
जो सबसे बड़ा जो miracle है is now.
Absolutely.
मेरा एक दोस्त ऐसा था जो, मैं उसके बारे में क्या बताऊं. He just, his wings are missing from his back. God wants you to live on this planet. ये सारा उसी का तो बनाया हुआ है. अगर आप यहाँ पर खुश नहीं होंगे तो वहाँ जाकर क्या खुशी दोगे? इसको स्वर्ग बनाओ. That's the way you should look at life. If you can get rejected 100 times and still stand strong as if nothing's happened, then my friend, you've already joined the industry. The industry is about luck. It's not to do with your talent. Whenever you're free, improve your skills. आप फेम के पीछे भागोगे, वो दूर भागेगा तुमसे दूर भागेगा. Do it for the love of the profession.
नमस्ते, आप सबका स्वागत है चित की बात आरती नागपाल के साथ. रियल लाइफ हीरो, ऑन स्क्रीन, ऑफ स्क्रीन. हम हमेशा अपनी जिंदगी में इंस्पिरेशन ढूंढते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे जीवन को कोई राह दिखाए और सही राह दिखाए. क्या जो ऑन स्क्रीन काम करते हैं वो अपनी जीवन में असली हीरो होते हैं क्या? उनकी लाइफ कितनी टफ होती है, कितनी चैलेंजेस से उनको गुजरना पड़ता है. आज मेरे साथ मेरे प्रिय मित्र हैं, बहुत ही कमाल के एक्टर हैं, बहुत प्यारे इंसान हैं. उन्होंने 2 बुक्स भी लिखी हैं, वो ऑथर भी हैं और बहुत प्यारे फैमिली मैन हैं. आइए बात करते हैं मेरे प्यारे मित्र से, महेश ठाकुर. यू आर वेलकम.
Thank you for having me on the show.
थैंक
अच्छा
यू.
लगा यहाँ पे आके. जी बिल्कुल.
You are so multi-talented, so beautiful, and very inspiring human being. Besides being an actor,
Okay, thank you.
yes. So I wanted people to know real Mahesh Thakur.
जी.
Like people have seen you in Mrs. Iyer, Hum Saath Saath Hai, and multiple TV shows and films on screen, Aashiki 2. So it's like मैं अभी पूरा IMDb टप 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 खुल जाएगा और सारी फिल्में ऐसे मैजिक बॉक्स में से बाहर निकल जाएगी.
जी.
But I do not want to talk about like those films and those characters and that acting and everything.
जी.
I want to talk about Mahesh.
Okay.
Who he is,
Okay.
from where he is coming.
Okay. तो क्या जानना चाहते हैं आप, प्लीज पहले बताइए. बात से शुरू करते हैं.
सबसे पहले तो मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप जो इतने हैंडसम दिख रहे
Oh,
हैं,
thank you.
and I have worked with you in Mr. Minto back
Mhm,
then when I was a teenager, and now we are
mhm,
having this conversation, this
जी
podcast.
जी
You are looking the same.
बहुत लोग मुझे ऐसे कहते हैं. Everybody tells me that, and I don't know why, because I have aged, definitely.
Mm.
नजदीक से देखो, कैमरा जरा नजदीक लाओ, तो you will come to know, yes. Yeah, but yeah, I do take care of my health. वो तो you don't have to be an actor to do that. You've
Yeah,
got to be a person who used to be. You should be aware of your health. कि मतलब ये जो शरीर भगवान ने आपको दिया है, it's your temple. You're supposed to take care of it.
absolutely.
So, good diet, good sleep, good thoughts, everything makes a difference to your well-being. You know, so I've always maintained a moderate lifestyle.
Yeah.
Never indulged in anything. मैंने खास करके मैंने सिगरेट कभी नहीं स्मोक किया, ना ही I've done alcohol.
Mm.
Maybe yeah, occasionally I'll have a beer or something if I
Mm.
go to a friend's party और कुछ ज़्यादा ही insist कर रहे हैं. But never, said that, chalo, it's a time to drink or, get involved in alcohol or smoking and late nights, especially late nights. So I think that all plays on your health, na?
Absolutely.
तो ये इन चीज़ों से मैं दूर रहा हूँ. इवन व्हेन आई एम शूटिंग, मैं
Hmm.
शूट जब भी कर रहा हूँ ना, आई ऑलवेज टेल माय प्रोड्यूसर्स, भाई मैं आपके साथ 8 बजे तक हूँ.
Hmm.
क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे 1 डेढ़ घंटा लगता है घर पहुँचने में, 9:30. डिनर करूँगा करीब 10 बजे.
Hmm.
1 डेढ़ घंटा आई विल वेट, till the digestion takes place. 11:30, 12, I'll hit the sack, so I can wake up at 7 in the morning again. So एक शेड्यूल होता है, एक रोटेशन
Yeah,
होता है.
yeah.
It's important for the health.
Body clock होती
बॉडी
है.
क्लॉक होता है, तो आई ऑलवेज मेंटेन. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नॉट दैट आई डोंट डू नाइट शिफ्ट्स.
Hmm.
पहले मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ यार मुझे एक दिन पहले बताया करो,
Hmm.
कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी नाइट, सो मेंटली आई कैन प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ कि ये नाइट होगा.
Hmm.
सो आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस सिंस a lot of time, and खास करके when I was in the year 2000, I was shooting for Malini Iyer.
Yeah.
उन दिनों मेरे बच्चे छोटे थे,
Hmm.
तो आई यूज्ड टू मेक श्योर आई डोंट शूट ऑन सैटरडे संडेज. उनकी छुट्टियां होती थी, तो आई यूज्ड टू शूट मंडे टू फ्राइडे.
Hmm.
So I'd maintain these things, in my way of working.
Yes.
I never looked at कि भाई your shooting days are going, तो पैसे कम मिलेंगे वगैरह. मतलब नहीं, पहले हेल्थ, वो काम होता रहता है जिंदगी में. आज नहीं तो कल वो कवर अप हो जाता है, लेकिन once your health is gone, it's gone.
Absolutely. Perfect way of dealing with your health
Yes,
and this temple
yes, I
where
believe
our
so.
soul resides.
Yes, absolutely.
We have
Yes,
to respect that.
बिल्कुल वैसा
So
है.
that's beautiful, Mahesh.
Yes.
Mahesh, you're born and brought up in Mumbai?
No, देखा जाए तो I was born here, but I'm actually, my parents were in Central America, Panama.
Okay.
तो मैं वहाँ पला पड़ा हूँ.
Hmm.
I came back here to study for some time. I did 1 or 2 years of college here. Then again I went back, finished my education over there, worked with my father. Then my grandmother fell sick in India, so I came to be with her. Or that time there was a war in Panama also, 1990. There was a major war. America had attacked Panama. Just Cause. The operation was called Just Cause. It's there on the internet. You can search it. So that's the time when सारे businesses बंद हो गए थे, banks seal हो चुके थे. There was nothing. You could not go and even withdraw money from the bank. Supermarkets were shut. So I've actually stood in lines to get groceries from those food trucks which used to come. So it was very bad in Panama, very bad. So on that time, I decided to come to India and be with my grandmother also. She was not keeping too well. So जब मैं आया, I was staying with her, and then slowly she started getting better, and that's the time I started getting work in the industry. So it wasn't a planned move as such. Yes, you feel you can face the camera, but उन दिनों में ना, we had the big दिग्गज actors. We had the Vinod Khannas, and we had the, that time Salman was just starting his career. उनकी एक film release हुई थी, मैंने प्यार किया. People were just warming up to new faces on screens. That's the time I came. So it was close to impossible. लोग कहते हैं कि आज मुश्किल है to join the industry. That time it was 10 times more difficult, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
कि ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग बोलते हैं उन दिनों में तो बहुत आसान था. नहीं भाई.
नहीं
It
था.
was not.
नहीं
It's
था.
always been difficult.
नहीं था.
It's a challenge, and it's always destiny, I believe.
Yes.
तो हाँ, I started at that time. I got ads, lots of ads.
But like I want to know,
Hmm.
you said you were staying with your
बुआ. मेरी बुआ.
आपकी बुआ के साथ में
मेरी
आप
दादी और बुआ. साथ
दादी
में.
और बुआ के साथ में रह रहे थे.
जी.
And what must be your age that time?
That one was 28.
28 something.
28, 29. I started my career a little late.
Okay.
No, I came when I was 26, 25, 26, 27, 28, I got married.
Hmm.
Yeah, about that time, yeah,
Mhm.
early mid-20s, you know.
Okay. So you did your education.
वहाँ पे मैं खत्म किया. I finished my degree. I was working with my father and I was studying at the same time.
So what did you? What was your stream?
It was to do with international markets and business, export import,
Okay.
basically. So
Okay.
yeah, plus we had a company over there, you
Okay.
know, which was dealing in exports and imports. So that
Okay.
helped.
Your father also was there in
Yeah,
that
yeah. I
business.
was working under my father.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It was nice. It was a good experience. Central America, Panama, Colon free zone. I remember.
Okay.
Those days were different. You know, absolutely different.
Okay.
But there's been a journey. Yes, I would say there was a journey for me to, you know, that mindset of uh, adapting to the Indian way of working
Hmm.
to that way of working as a businessman and being. It's two different mindset. The whole thought ही अलग है.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
And that time 90s में तो it was completely different. Now it is very global.
तो मुझे याद है मैं यहाँ पे काम कर रहा था तो आफ्टर फिनिश माय शूट मैंने पैसे भी नहीं मांगे बिकॉज वहाँ पे हम पैसे नहीं मांगते हैं ना वो तो बैंक में जाते हैं प्रोड्यूसर आप पैसे नहीं मांगते हो मतलब मांगना पड़ता है मतलब हाँ मांगना पड़ता है पैसे दे दो so, you know so it's so strange you know that the way of working because we feel कि अगर आपने काम किया है
हाँ.
तो you should
It
get
is
paid for it.
mandatory.
It's mandatory मतलब उसमें क्या है
हाँ.
बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे ऐसी बात नहीं होती यहाँ पे आपको मांगना पड़ता है
हाँ.
यू नो कि सर मेरा चेक तैयार कब होगा ये बातें करनी पड़ती है ना आई फाइंड इट वेरी पेनफुल यू नो काम किया है तो जो है अंडरस्टैंडिंग खत्म करो ना व्हाई इवन गेट इनटू दैट
Absolutely.
I don't like to
You can't help it. This is India.
yeah not India I think it's just the way of working over here कि
No,
आपको
it's the mindset of people. जल्दी से पैसे छूटते नहीं है. वो
I don't know why.
हाँ.
It's just a means to an end.
Yeah.
Money is literally just a means to an end.
Absolutely.
It's nothing else.
Absolutely.
You know, आज हम पैसों को वैल्यू देते हैं इसलिए पैसों का वैल्यू है
है.
अगर नहीं देते तो मतलब there was a very good example somebody told me कि you tell a woman sitting in the mountains who's smoking those गांजा they smoke करते हैं ना उन लोग कि मैं आपको फरारी देता हूँ आप मुझे ये गांजा दे दो बोलेंगे नहीं चाहिए तुम्हारी फरारी रखो अपने पास मुझे ये चाहिए so it's all perception you know it's all perception कि how you look at some things you know?
Facts.
Yeah, तो हमको लगता है कि पैसों से हमको ये मिलेगा तो कई बार पैसों से आपको नहीं मिलता है जैसे कि जिंदगी
सच
हेल्थ चाहे आपके पास कितने भी पैसे हो यू विल नेवर गेट पीस ऑफ माइंड और यू विल नेवर गेट क्या कहते हैं हेल्थ बिकॉज ऑफ मनी
Absolutely.
you know
Absolutely.
so it is you have to evaluate money that way कि it's something which it can get you but not everything in life हर चीज नहीं you know, so,
मेरे हिसाब से लक्ष्मी मेरी बिलीफ के हिसाब से और मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से लक्ष्मी वो होती है कि आप अपने घर में सुखी तरीके से रह रहे हैं
जी बिल्कुल
आपकी प्लेट में इनफ आपको जो चाहिए वो खाना है
करेक्ट
आप जहां जाना चाहते हैं वहां जाने की आपको फ्रीडम है आप जिसके साथ में बैठ उठ रहे हैं मिल रहे हैं वो आपके पसंद के लोग आपके पास में हैं आपके समय के हिसाब से मेरे हिसाब से वो लक्ष्मी है
करेक्ट
वो वेल्थ है
करेक्ट
क्योंकि वो सब लोग प्रिविलेज नहीं होते
करेक्ट वेरी ट्रू
वो प्रिविलेज मतलब दैट इज ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड एंड दैट्स लॉट्स ऑफ गुड लक एंड वेल्थ so that's how it is.
Yes, money is just to you know it's a way of making you feel God loves you.
Yeah,
You know कि
yeah.
आपको enough दिया गया है.
Yeah.
You know? But also ये मैंने जो book लिखी है I Quotes I have touched all these topics. I Quotes is a spiritual book.
I'm going to come to that.
Yeah, but I'm just telling you.
Yeah, no problem.
So
Yeah.
these things I have tapped on. But I must tell you that these are not things which I have tapped on. I also tapped on कि ये it's not me writing it.
Yeah.
It was written through me.
It was flowing.
It's
You were
flown
flowing.
through,
You
yeah.
were
So कई
flowing.
बार मैं भी वो जब खोल के पढ़ता हूँ तो मैं हाँ अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है because you tend to forget.
I can
See that?
understand.
So it's like that. So जो what had flown through me also this was that कई बार हम एक चीज चाहते हैं जो let's say it's got value. Okay, हम चाहते हैं कि भाई मुझे ये चीज मिल जाए और हमको वो चीज मिल जाती है तो हमारा faith strong हो जाता है कि भाई you know क्या हमने चाहा और मुझे मिला कई बार हम चाहते हैं लेकिन वो चीज नहीं मिलती हमारा फेथ वीक हो जाता है मैंने देखा है ऑनेस्ट टू गॉड व्हाट आई हैव सेंस्ड इज जब जो चीज हम चाहते हैं और जो नहीं मिलती ना उससे बेटर हमेशा हमारे पास आता है
Fact.
यू नो एंड ये समझना वही समझ पाते हैं who've gone through the experience.
मतलब इसका मतलब ये है कि आपका जो फेथ है वो चीज मिलने और नहीं मिलने पर नहीं डिपेंडेंट होना
Exactly,
चाहिए.
exactly. And most of the people they lose faith
Yeah.
जब जो उन लोग जो चीज चाहते हैं उनको नहीं
नहीं
मिलती.
मिलती
They lose faith there.
इंस्टेंटली.
And they don't have the vision to see the blessings which has happened. Actually, this has been a case. आपने वो सुना होगा 9/11 जब हुआ
यस
था
यस
वो
यस
अमेरिका
यस
में.
यस
There was a case of a man who was supposed to board that flight, which went into the buildings, and he was bumped off the plane. मतलब वो जो he came late, counter बंद हो गया, and he was not allowed to board the plane. And he was cursing कि मतलब मुझे ये I had to catch this flight because मुझे पहुंचना था, मेरा इतना नुकसान हो जाएगा if I didn't reach. When he saw on the news what happened to the plane, he didn't know what to do. मतलब वो जो शक्ति आपको बचाती है ना, it's bigger than you can even imagine.
एब्सोल्युटली
You know, so we
एब्सोल्युटली.
cannot understand the ways why God works the way He does, or the universe works in the way they do. But yes, there's a lot of force in the unseen. I would say a lot of force.
Yes, yes, yes. I can see already the divinity flowing through you right now also.
It flows through everybody.
Yes, it does. It does. But you have to be empty
Yeah.
for that to flow.
I would not say you have to be empty. You have to be
Like
full.
like in a way, if we create blocks within ourselves and we are so rigid and we don't want to, like I want this only, like you said. आपने जैसे अभी बोला कि फेथ है कि मुझे ये चीज आप नहीं चाहिए थी, वो नहीं मिली, तो मेरा फेथ टूट गया. तो अगर मैं इस पर्टिकुलर चीज को मैं लेकर रिजिड हो जाऊं, तो वो जो चीज, जो एनर्जी उस वक्त फ्लो हो रही है और मुझे जो अच्छा फील होना चाहिए, वो नहीं उस वक्त होगा ना.
Correct.
बाद में जब मुझे रियलाइज होगा, जब पता चलेगा कि ये होने के बाद ये होना था और फिर जो हुआ वो बात की बात है, पर उस मोमेंट पर मैं रिजिड थी. तो मैं यही बोल रही हूँ कि राइट नाउ जो आप फ्लो कर रहे हैं, आप बस ऐसे हैं नेचुरल पीस में, इट्स ओके, लेट्स गो.
No problem. Yeah. So there are a lot of ways to look at these things, and I've always been the receiver from the universe. I've never asked the universe कि भाई मुझे ये दे दो, मुझे ये, because it's so powerful. दे भी देगा. You know, आप मांग के तो देखो, आपने पानी मांगा है, आपको शहद मिलेगी. मतलब पॉइंट इज दैट. लेकिन आपको ये समझना कि ये शहद है, वो भी एक नॉलेज होना जरूरी है. You know, you can ask for water,
हाँ,
you get honey.
हाँ,
You don't know the difference. You
हाँ,
will not value the honey. ना?
yeah,
बात वो है
हाँ,
कि what you get in life is something which you deserve,
yeah.
and you just have to notice it. मतलब things can be worse. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि आज अगर आप सुबह उठते हो, आप उनके बारे में सोचो जो आज उठ ही नहीं पाए.
Absolutely.
You know, so it's everything about life is a blessing. You know?
Absolutely.
So that's the way to look at life. You know?
Mahesh, you said like your family was there in Panama, right?
Yes.
And your parents and everybody. Do you have siblings or somebody like
Yes,
that?
I've got 2 sisters.
Yeah.
And one is in New York settled, and one is in London settled.
Okay.
दोनों वहाँ पे
Okay.
हैं. And I'm in Bombay. 3 different continents of the globe.
Okay. And you got married very early over there only?
I got married here to my
Hmm.
college sweetheart.
Okay.
And yeah, we have a family. We raised a family together.
Of course, I know your wife. She's
Yeah.
gorgeous.
Yeah,
Sapna.
we've got 2 boys,
Yes.
Arin and Arash.
Yes.
बहुत ही sweet बच्चे हैं मेरे.
Yes. Yes.
God
yes.
bless them.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Definitely.
it's simple family, nuclear family,
Yes. Yes.
living
yes.
in Lokhandwala,
Yes.
Andheri.
Don't speak much. People will come to your home.
Adi, actually.
So, your journey, you said that you got work. Now, you were living with your bua and dadi.
जी.
So, it's not like कि आपके घर पे कोई आकर काम बोल के गया कि महेश ये करो आप.
जी.
आपके कुछ ऐसे कॉन्टैक्ट्स रहे होंगे उस समय कि मतलब इट हैपन टू बी कि आप उस सिचुएशन में थे या उस जगह पर थे, वो बंदा था.
जी, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही हुआ
हाँ,
था.
तो
So सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था कि I had a little dog, Monty.
हम्म.
He was a Lhasa Apso, बहुत ही cute सा, जो बाल आते हैं ना,
हाँ, I know.
you can't see him.
Yeah.
So he
Very
was so
cute.
blind, he used to bang into walls and all. समझ रहे? भागता भागते he used to go and hit a wall or something.
हाँ.
A very cute dog.
हाँ.
So I used to cut his hair
हाँ.
so he could see him, you know, so his ears,
हाँ.
long ears. Very cute dog. So I used to take him for walks.
हाँ.
तो एक दिन मैं उसे वॉक के लिए ले जा रहा था, एंड सतलुज धीर जो पंकज धीर का जो भाई है,
Yes.
he saw me
Yeah.
and he knows me since I was there. My pet name is Munna. So he said,
Okay.
"Hey Munna, tu yahan kya kar raha hai?"
हाँ.
Bola, "Hey, hi." I used to call him Pompey. His name is
Okay.
Pompey.
Yes.
So we shook hands and all that. He said, "Sun, tomorrow I've got an ad." So
हाँ.
मैंने कहा समझ में क्या? I said, "Ad, अरे कुछ photos निकालने हैं and I didn't know you're here. I was searching for a model. तो तू आ जा."
हाँ.
बोला आ जाओ, no problem. कितने बजे? बोला I'll pick you up. ना, he used to stay in Vindhyachal, that
Yes.
building over there.
I
So he
know
said,
him. He's
so he said, I'll pick you up and we'll go.
हाँ.
I said, ठीक है. So next day, he picked me up from
Yeah.
my building, which is just in front,
Yeah.
and we went for the shoot at in Juhu. There was another female model, and he had got some shirt ads.
Yeah.
I changed about 8 to 9 shirts, 10
Okay.
shirts, and 1 or 2 Indian outfits. काम खत्म हो गया था by about 3 घंटे में, 2-3 घंटे में.
Yeah.
तो जाते समय he cut out a check and he gave me money.
Yeah.
I said, what is this for? He said, for your work. I said, just click photographs.
Yeah.
I didn't do no work. काम तो फोटो खींचे भाई, फोटो खींचे के पैसे मिलते हैं. बोलता हाँ, यू मॉडल्ड,
अच्छा.
आपके पोस्टर छपेंगे, देखना बहुत खूबसूरत पोस्टर. ऐसे मुझे मिलेंगे पोस्टर? He said, yes, you'll get your poster. So that's my first job which I got.
Oh.
हाँ, and from there, जहाँ पे वो दुकानों में लगते हैं ना पोस्टर,
हाँ, I know.
तो वहाँ पे एक लेडी थी who used to work for a production company.
Okay.
And she saw me, she got in touch with me, and she said that, will you audition for this ad? So I said, sure. So they called me for an audition. मैं गया था audition के लिए. It was Pepsi commercial, Leher Pepsi.
Okay.
So वहाँ पे I did the whatever the audition, and they were so happy with the audition that they had already finalized some other models, but they
Okay.
needed actor models, somebody who could
Okay.
deliver dialogues. मुझसे
Okay.
हो गया,
हाँ.
I could deliver. तो रात को मुझे फोन आता है कि आप सुबह प्लीज 7 बजे रिपोर्ट कर लो शूट के लिए. मैं चला गया.
हाँ.
दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट एड. वहां पर मुझे प्रहलाद कक्कड़ ने देखा.
हाँ.
देन नौमिता शुबीर ऑफ वाइट लाइट सॉ मी.
हाँ.
देन करते कराते बिफोर आई न्यू आई वाज डूइंग मल्टीपल एड्स.
Yeah.
Okay, I was doing lots of ad films. Then fashion shows भी हुए,
Yeah.
with Sharmila Roy Chaudhary and with Hemant Trivedi. उनके साथ I walked the ramp.
Mm.
करते कराते then a movie happened.
Mm.
That's मेरी जाने मन, एक पहली फिल्म हुई थी. मेरी जाने मन के बाद I did काला सच. Then दोनों फिल्में इतनी बुरी तरह से पिट गई. Then मैंने बोला यार फिल्में विल्में नहीं करनी है. Then I got very busy with television. That time ZTV was starting.
Yes.
So I got परंपरा, मनीष गोस्वामी आपके साथ जो
Yes.
किया था, मिस्टर मिंटू, and बहुत सारे shows आते गए. सैलाब मिला, I did सैलाब, and just a lot of work. And before I knew it, I was called for हम साथ
साथ.
before I knew. And that was
Yeah.
a
सूरज बढ़ जाती है.
that was a turning point of my career. It was one of the biggest hits which
Yes.
happened. But
Yes.
how I got called because of doing so much work,
Yes.
तो वहां से फिर there was no looking back.
Yeah.
Then खुद ब खुद लोग पहचानने लगे, काम
हाँ.
मिलता गया, and one thing led to the other,
Yeah.
and जिंदगी चलती
Yes.
गई.
Yes.
So, yes.
Did you learn acting in America, or what was it like? How it is so fluent?
So I don't know how this works. Okay,
Yeah.
लोग कहते हैं कि you're a good actor and all.
हाँ.
I don't know how this works. I will
हाँ.
not say you can learn acting.
हाँ.
I think आपके सामने जो script मिलती है, if you can put yourself as that character and the best to your abilities, is what is I consider acting. So if
हाँ.
there's a role, like I've played the role of Bade Dada, who is Sadhu Vaswani. Okay, if you see that museum which is in Pune, you will not think it's me, because they gave me that get up, and also what they expected from me I delivered. So I didn't really have to prepare, but I just put all my heart and soul into the character. Similarly, when I did Honorable Prime Minister Modi season
Yes.
2, Narendra Modi,
Yes.
I played so nobody could imagine I've done that. That's on Eros now. You
Yes.
can see the journey of a common man. Umesh Shukla, who directed Oh God, and ये सारी जो बड़ी फिल्में उन्होंने की है. So he called me once to the office, and I myself was wondering, like, is he asking me to play Shri Narendra Modi ji? I was like, are you sure? I don't even look like him. They said that get up and all is our problem. We know you can do it. Are you willing to do it? That's the question. So मैंने कहा बिल्कुल, अगर आपको फेथ है तो मैं तो कर ही लूंगा. मुझे क्या है, I'm looking forward to reprise the role of such a great man. So I was open to it. So मुझे मिल गया वो role. So my point is, the industry realized I could deliver.
Yeah.
उस हिसाब से मुझे काम मिलता गया. And touch wood, I'm very happy that the universe has given me the opportunity to work with such great directors, writers, and such great teams which I've been associated with.
Yeah.
I bless them all, and I hope I keep surviving this industry because a lot of changes, you can see. जब से
Yeah.
मैंने start किया अपना career
हाँ.
और अब जो चल रहा है,
हाँ.
it's a lot of change, a lot of change.
Yes, it is. It
Yeah,
is. It is.
it's
It has
very
become more digital and
not only चलो
lots.
तो देख वो medium अलग है. I'm saying the type of mindsets.
Yeah.
What I'm used to and what
Yes.
I'm seeing,
Yeah.
it's very different.
Yeah.
So it's about adjusting. So I've
Mm.
adjusted.
Yeah.
So far, so good. So far, so
Great. Great.
good.
You must be having like fans from all ages,
I don't know.
children to
Look,
old aunties.
I
Definitely.
look. I love people.
Yeah.
I'm a people's guy. I love people, and I
Huh.
always value them for what they are.
Yeah.
So if they give me love, they get tenfold back. I mean,
Yeah.
because I don't like to look down upon anybody, and I never will and never should. It's not a good thing. But fans are somebody who keep your career going.
Absolutely.
जब तक वो है आपका करियर है, जब तक जब वो चले जाएंगे आपका करियर भी चला जाएगा. Simple as that. So that's what I believe in.
Mahesh, before this, we were having this conversation. You spoke a lot about spirituality,
जी,
and you spoke about flowing,
जी.
right? Do you practice something besides, like,
Yeah.
what kind of practices you do?
So okay, so there was a show which came, Mano या ना मानो. You must have seen.
Yes, yes.
तो उसमें एक एपिसोड मेरे पे था.
हाँ.
Okay, I was because when I met Siddharth Kak, I told him about my experience on spirituality, and he actually, I was shooting in Manali. He sent a team there to shoot Mano ya na Mano, and I said, I don't want to speak to the public about this. He says, why? You must. It was about my astral travel experience,
Okay.
which he knew about.
Okay.
And he sent this team, and then they wanted to cover it. So I did speak about it, but that was way back. So it just happened once to me. That's the time I went into the search, I would say.
Okay.
Okay. It was a grace of God that I got the astral travel experience. So people don't know what astral travel is. लोगों को पता नहीं है.
Now people know.
Now they're aware of it. But मेरे साथ जब हुआ था, I was in Panama. I'm talking the year 1987, 88. उस वक्त हुआ था. And so basically what happened, I'll tell you. My mother has the Badi Savari in the house, Guru Granth Sahib.
Okay.
Okay. और जब से मैं छोटा था, I used to hold that, that little thing they keep on doing.
Yes, yes, जो पंखा करते हैं.
हाँ, but so I used to do that. वो सर पे पहनाती थी मेरी माँ, वो सुबह प्रकाश करती थी, and I used to sit and do that. So I've grown up with the Guru Granth Sahib in my house. So I was very curious. क्या लिखा है? Why does my mother take so much of care? खोलती थी, बंद करती थी, ये वो. So I was very curious about it. And that's, I think, was the time when I started asking questions. कि ये क्या है? क्यों है? Why is there so much of... So I had no experience of the universe, of the world around. So मेरा एक दोस्त था वहाँ पे, and I used to have these debates with him about God. कि अगर भगवान है तो वो सामने प्रकट क्यों नहीं होते, ये क्यों नहीं होता है, वो क्यों नहीं होता है, ऐसे क्यों नहीं होता. अरे बाबा, सारे बचकाने सवाल आज के हिसाब से.
No, it is contemplation.
So he gave me a book, The Key to Secret Worlds. तो वो किताब पढ़ने के बाद मैं I was stunned.
What you said? Repeat
The Key to Secret Worlds.
The Key to Secret Worlds.
Worlds.
Okay.
तो मैं एकदम स्टन हो गया. तो मैंने वो किताब साइड पे रखी. तो उसमें कुछ ऐसे लिखा गया था that you have to practice some notes, some studies for you to know that you're more than what you see in the mirror. So very diligently I started doing that because that book really shook me. So one of it was maintaining a dream journal. Dream journal. तो उसका सिंपल सा था. You sleep. आप जब सो जाते हो सुबह के 3:30-4 बजे, you have to put an alarm. You keep a book and a pen next to you, और आपने जो भी सपने देखे आप बस लिखते जाओ. So I did that. पहले दिन no dream, second day no dream, third day no dream. मैं चलता गया. फिर slowly I could remember bits and parts of the dream. I used to write it down. Did not make sense of anything, Me, I'm running away from somewhere. I'm hiding underneath a car. Then some dream was very nice. I'm on top of a mountain, seeing the lovely scenery, and my mother is over there. Beta, come back. What are you doing? गिर जाओगे वहां से. I'm like, yes, mom. I'm in the lookout. होता है ना तुम्हारा जो echo point हो गया. So things not making any sense. ये मैंने ड्रीम जर्नल बनाई. अब when I was doing this dream journal, one fine day, I I put the 3 o'clock alarm, right? So kareeb before that alarm could go off, I woke up wanting to go to the toilet.
Hmm.
अब मेरा जो घर था पैनामा का, we had it was the old type house where we had 3 bedrooms, a bedroom, hall, bedroom, one long passage, kitchen and bathroom. So मेरा जो कमरा था was right in front of the bathroom, and the bathroom had a little step. मतलब अगर आपको bathroom जाना है, you have to climb a step. So I'm sleeping in the middle room. The air condition is on. दरवाजा हल्का सा खुला है, मतलब not completely, and I want to go to the toilet. So I just remember getting up from the bed, but the next thing I was in the passage. मुझे ध्यान नहीं है how I got from the bedroom to the passage because my darwaza was not fully closed. It was slightly, वो हमारा जो
नॉब खुला हुआ थोड़ा सा.
नॉब खुल बंद नहीं होता था बराबर से, हमेशा हल्का सा खुला रहता था. So I don't know how I got out. So as I got out, I remember I was trying to open the knob of the bathroom door. वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं आ रहा था. मैं ट्राई कर रहा था. It was not coming. Now, at the same time, I was feeling pins and needles all around. You know, when your hand goes to sleep,
Yeah.
how you feel pins and needles?
Yes.
I was feeling pins and needles all around.
Hmm.
नजर देखा तो my feet were not touching the ground. अब मैंने पढ़ा था उस बुक में that when you have an astral travel experience, you will, your feet don't touch the ground. So somewhere down, I felt I was hallucinating maybe. सपना भी हो सकता है, पता नहीं. लेकिन I became so aware of my state at that time. I said, नहीं, let me go along with it. So rather than going back to the room, I went towards the hall जो खुला था. My hall was open. And I went inside the hall, I remember, and I saw the dining table. हमारा glass का dining table था. लेकिन what I was seeing, it was mercury. Mercury कैसे silver होता है? I was seeing a shimmer on it. So just normally I went and touched it. I touched it and the temperature changed of it. As in, अगर आपने कभी पानी लोगे गरम hot water, you put it in a balti and you put your hand, when you put your hand in, you can feel the heat change on your palm. Exactly like that, I felt the heat. There was a sense of heat on that touch. जैसे ही मैंने हाथ उठाया, generally अगर आप पानी को touch करते हो तो droplets would fall from here. Here droplets were falling the other way. They were going upwards. Okay.
Magnetic.
Droplets. I saw droplets going in the reverse direction. Now, I would say this is hallucination. Maybe I'm sensing, but see, remember one thing, I'm feeling these things. मैं ये feel कर रहा हूँ. I have not read about these droplets going up. I've never read about these things. I've read about that your feet don't touch the ground and all that. Then I came into the hall and I saw the door was closed and now I wanted to go outside. I said, कैसे जाऊँ? And before I could even say कैसे जाऊँ, I was out in the balcony. So my thought was taking me to the balcony. Now I'm in the balcony and I'm seeing the entire view in front of me. The view here was a car parking lot. There were trees, there were cars down. And now in my mind, I'm saying I'm dreaming. मेरे मन में बोल रहा मैं ड्रीम कर रहा हूँ. मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर मैं ड्रीम कर रहा हूँ, why am I seeing everything so clear? सब कुछ बहुत ही क्लियर है. तो नीचे 3 गाड़ियां थी. I said I'm writing a dream journal. Let me note the numbers of the car. So I memorized the 2-3 cars which parked in the front. मैंने उसके नंबर mentally याद किए. I saw the view in front of me, the trees, the cars, everything were bright. It was not dark.
They were lit.
Everything had its own aura type. It was खुद के, but if you talk about a tree, the tree had its own light. If you talk about the sky was not black. The sky, I could see the stars. It was as bright. Everything was very bright. It was not कि अंधेरा छाया हुआ था. Now I'm thinking I've got to get up and I've got to write my dream journal. And before I know, I'm in the bed sleeping and I'm trying to write my dream journal. But I couldn't get up. My body's there. I couldn't try to move anyway. I pushed myself awake. I picked up my dream journal. सारी चीजें मैं भूल गया because you just woke up in a झटका. I switched on my light. I sat with the pen. And then slowly, entire process of what happened started coming to me and I wrote that down. सब मैंने लिखा. नींद आ रही थी, मैंने बंद किया. हर सुबह मैं उठता था 6:30 to drop my sisters to school. That day also I woke up at 6:30, completely forgot about this dream journal because it had become a habit. तो मैं निकला, but 1 or 2 car numbers were flashing in my head. अब please pay attention, these cars were not parked in the evening. They come and park in the night because log le jate hain gaadiyan. So when I came down to start my car, I saw the same blue color car which was parked there. I said, let me see the number. That's the time when I noticed the number. I memorized that number. I said, I've written a number down. It should be this. I looked at the other car. I said, I have to memorize this also number. And then I went, dropped my sisters to school. I came back. I ran up home. I opened my dream journal. And वही numbers लिखे थे. Which is why I associated it was an astral travel experience. Okay, because I had something to relate to. Ab, the next thing what happened was, this was my first experience with astral travel, which I felt. Then I tried it. मैंने बहुत मेहनत की that it should happen. नहीं हुआ. नहीं हुआ. Because it's not something which comes so naturally. This was my
Yeah.
first thing. But then one fine day, I remember very clearly, my mother said to go and clean up. Diwali ka time tha. So we do Diwali cleaning in the house.
Yeah.
So I'd stopped writing my dream journal and I'd kept it in one drawer. So मैं साफ सफाई कर रहा था. And उस वक्त मेरा एक दोस्त था दीपक पारवानी. अब मेरी उसकी दोस्ती अच्छी चल रही थी. And just few days back I had a tiff with him. Very stupid tiff. कि my mother, दिवाली का टाइम होता है तो she gives you मिठाइस to go distribute. तो मुझे भी दिया गया था. तो I distributed everyone. And when I came to distribute the मिठाई का डब्बा to Veenu auntie, that is Deepak's mother. So she was not at home and Deepak was playing basketball outside in his shooting hoops. तो उन्होंने बोला कि महेश की ऐसे यार मिठाई है धूप में खराब हो जाएगी फ्रिज में रखो. बोलता रुक ना, I'm throwing these hoops, we'll go in just 2 minutes. I said ठीक है, playing basketball. His uncle comes in a black color Porsche car, right?
Yeah.
Black color without
Sunroof. Yeah.
मतलब एक
Open roof.
convertible.
Convertible.
And he calls him, so he's very excited. He said, uncle, ये कब खरीदी? बोला, I've just bought it, this, that, the बहुत. He said, चल, I'll take you for a drive. So I said, Deepak, मिठाई. He said, रुक ना, मैं आ रहा हूँ, 2 second. He goes and sits in that car. It was a 2-seater. और वो दोनों निकल जाते हैं. 5 मिनट हो गया, 10 मिनट हो गया, 15 मिनट हो गया, 20 मिनट हो गया. I got upset. मैंने बोला यार मिठाई का डब्बा लेकर आया हूँ, बोल भी रहा हूँ कि keep it in your fridge and I can go. He just made me stand there, so I'd come home. Now this has happened to me. Anyway, 2-3 दिन ये बात को लेके हुई है. My mother's doing the Diwali cleaning and all. वो मिठाई का डब्बा घर पे ही है. And I said, चलो, I'll read the journal. तो जैसे मैंने पन्ने पलटने शुरू किए, in one day, there were 3 dreams which were recorded. One of the 3 dreams was, I go to meet Deepak, who's playing basketball outside his house. Kumar uncle comes with a red color Porsche outside. Deepak goes for a drive with him, and I'm very angry with him. मेरे रोंगटे खड़े. Total goosebumps, total. And this dream, I saw the date. It was 3 months before it had happened. 3 months. I immediately called up my friend. I said, Johnny, he had given me the book, The Key to Secret Worlds. I said, मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. So he just laughed on the other side. He said, हाँ, देखो प्यारे. He said, you see what else you can discover. This is what I'm keep telling you about the universe.
That was something. I also was traveling with you by the time.
Okay.
आप जब बता रहे थे मैं ऑलरेडी आपके साथ थी और मैं जाके आई कहीं.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
I believe I have also felt, but मेरे experiences ऐसे नहीं हैं आपकी तरह, पर मुझे पता है कि divine force है और हम सब connected हैं. And मतलब कोई भी व्यक्ति कहीं पर भी, जैसे आप मेरे सामने आज बैठे हैं, so that is also orchestrated plan of divine.
Okay.
Because there is going to be certain messages which is going to be received by somebody who will be watching this later, and then that person is supposed to understand something. So it is all like that. It actually हम लोग जो सोच रहे हैं कि हम ये कर रहे हैं वो already हो चुका होता है, and it works in a backward direction.
That's why वो जो मैंने ड्रीम लिखा था कि ये चीजें ऑलरेडी
हो चुकी हैं.
कहीं in some realities already happened. So ये बहुत ही पावरफुल एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था मेरे साथ. And 2-3 और बहुत ही पावरफुल एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं कि मतलब
It's okay, you can speak, it's
नहीं नहीं
okay.
वो it's not a question of okay because
हाँ.
this limited information is there because ये let people digest this first.
No, it's see, I'll tell you, Mahesh, you know what we think that people are not ready, but the generation after 2012, which has taken birth, they are already advanced souls.
वो तो है
Okay,
understand.
and these little children, they are more smarter than us. हमारी जो जनरेशन, ये पूरी जो जनरेशन है ना, वहां पर से पूरा का पूरा युग परिवर्तन हमको करने की जरूरत है. हमको वी हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म टू अंडरस्टैंड देम. अगर उनसे बात करनी है तो हमको हमारा लेवल अप करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो वो हमको बोलेंगे कि ये करेंगे हमको. सो यू थिंक कि मैं जो बोलूंगा लोग डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
तो
नथिंग लाइक
मेरा
दैट.
मेरा जो दूसरा एक्सपीरियंस जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा दिस इज एक्चुअली ऑल हैपेंड आई मीन पीपल हु नो माय लाइफ बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन विद द मीडिया
या.
मैंने कई बार इसके बारे में बात भी किया था दैट वाज द विनिंग ऑफ द हाउस व्हिच आई वन
या.
in the year 1996.
Hmm.
So I had a problem where my ancestral property was concerned,
Hmm.
and within 3 months, I'd just gotten married.
Hmm.
And जैसे मैं वहाँ से निकला था अपने life to start my life, I was told that they'll sell the property and all. लेकिन मेरे जो घर वाले थे, they decided not to sell the property. But I started my life. मैंने बोला let them live in peace. You know, I went and started my life in Lokhandwala and rented out. And my wife, Sapna, and there was a Win the Home TV family contest which was happening. So they, you had to put your answers and send it via postcard to the channel. And the competition was open throughout India and Dubai and everywhere. So T.N. Seshan was the person who took out that winning postcard. So my wife had sent 8 names. मतलब her sister's name, her name, her father's name, जो उनको जो close थे, she sent all those postcards over there. And T.N. Sheshan, I'm seeing the live shot and he puts his hand in and takes out the card. It says Mahesh Thakur won the home. I'm seeing that on TV. I didn't know it was me because I didn't put it in. My wife did. महेश ठाकुर ऐसे बड़ा कोइंसिडेंस मेरा ही नाम निकला है वो भी घर वाह and here I've just lost a house because my ancestors मेरे जो father के जो family है they've decided not to sell and जो भी so within 2 days I got a call from when somebody wants to come home and give me a good news channel वाले आ रहे हैं मैंने बोला आ जाओ ऐसे so they come home this whole TV crew comes home and it's Mini Mathur you knowing Mini Mathur?
Yes.
Kabir Khan, who's the director of that time he was doing the show. I think he made this movie with Salman Khan.
Yeah, Tiger.
So
Tiger zinda hai, Tiger ye wo
so
wala.
he was the director cum cameraman over there. So he came and पहली बार मुलाकात हुई वहाँ पे and they broke the news out to me that I won a house. पहले तो मुझे यकीन नहीं हुआ था that I won a house. I said, yeah, you won a house. I said, how is it possible? तो बोला नहीं आपका नाम निकला है टी एन शेषन निकला है देन आई कनेक्टेड 2-3 दिन पहले मैंने वो देखा था महेश ठाकुर ये मैं ही हूँ बट डाला किसने देन आई कॉल्ड अप माय वाइफ सपना हु वाज नॉट स्टेइंग विद मी आई वाज एट माय शी सेड यस आई हैव पुट इट इन सो आई सेड गेस व्हाट वी वन द first prize was the house it wasn't one house it was 2 houses 1 BHK in DS Kulkarni Kalyan which was valued at 25 lakhs in those days 1996 and it was in my name. All right. The second prize was a 40-inch TV. घर किधर टीवी कहाँ लिटरली चलो वो सारी चीजें भूल जाओ जरा सोचो what are the chances of me who's just lost the house who will win a house with my name on it I mean there can be no bigger miracle than this.
Absolutely.
So, and after having experienced all what I did experience, as I told you my spiritual thing, I said that it is हाथ ऊपर पड़ा है भाई. It's not so easy.
Yes.
तो ये मेरे साथ हुआ है. I've spoken about this. It's there. People even talk about it. You can speak to Mini Mathur. You can speak to कबीर खान
You know
इरशाद
why?
खान।
We can
मैंने
believe you definitely.
बिलीव की बात नहीं, मैंने बोला ये is there, it's
Hmm.
happened to me.
Hmm.
And besides this, the astral travel has happened. Besides this, so many things have happened which
Hmm.
have brought me to this position of my mindset जो है.
Hmm.
So yeah.
I feel Mahesh, your mother who used to pray so much and chant so much, you know, it is always family karma जो होता है
जी
और grace
जी
जो एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी मिलती है, तो एंसेस्ट्रल आशीर्वाद भी तो मिलते हैं।
of course.
उनका प्यार, उनका ग्रेस, अगर डिवाइन के लिए जब कोई आपकी फैमिली में पूरी फैमिली डिवोटेड रहता है, काम करता रहता है, तो ग्रेस तो सबके ऊपर फैलता है ना।
बिल्कुल.
वो तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिलेक्टिव बंदा अगर इसने इतना ही काम किया, इसकी 80 साल की लाइफ है, तो ये तो गुजर गया तो इसका ग्रेस भी खत्म हो गया। वो तो दैट विल तो कीप फ्लोइंग, नो? सो नेचुरली व्हाट यू आर
Blessings of
सेइंग, जो
yeah.
हाथ है वो आपकी माँ की कृपा से ही
Of course.
आपकी
Of
लाइफ में
course.
जो डिवाइन आपको दे रहे हैं
Divine is
अननोइंगली।
always there's always there a part of you who walks with you in this life. I
Yes,
always feel that true.
yes,
वैसा
yes,
ही है.
yes. That's so beautiful, and
Yeah.
that's so, you know, what you have spoken is very powerful, Mahesh.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, deep rooted faith
Hmm.
and believing in that higher consciousness and letting yourself be that medium to flow,
Hmm.
allowing yourself to be, you know, आप
Mhm.
एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो, आप रिसीव कर रहे हो, आप ग्रेटफुल हो, आप
Mhm.
थैंक यू बोल रहे हो, तो वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, बढ़ता जा रहा है।
Mhm. But
एंड
there's no. I would say it's not. It's not something which I'm doing for a reason. It's
नो
just
नो,
just
इट्स
flowing.
यू,
It's just flowing. It's just
या
I would not say कि अगर ऐसे करने से ये होता है नहीं, ऐसे करने से शायद ना भी हो.
हाँ
You know? So just be happy and grateful in life. So the point is, you know, the world around जो मैं देखता हूँ दुनिया, the world around me, you know, everybody is very sad mostly.
यस,
बहुत कम लोग हैं जो I find who are happy people.
या,
And whoever I see who are happy people, ना I feel very nice because एक खुश आदमी खुशियां फैला सकता है.
एब्सोल्युटली,
एक दुखी आदमी दुखी फैलाता है. He puts out. So there is too much of sadness and negativity which is being spread. वो फैलता जा रहा है. We can't do anything. The only way we can deal with it is if we become mentally conscious about being positive. कि भाई जो I'm feeling today is not because of me, but because somebody's made me feel that way. किसी की वजह से मैं ऐसा फील कर रहा हूँ कि otherwise I'm a happy person. तो ये ध्यान में रख के if we move ahead in life, I feel we'll be able to, like जब कोविड करते थे ना, कोविड का प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, how do you stop COVID?
यस,
You know, you have social distancing. So similarly, if you're talking about negative people, social distancing from negative people, you will be positive.
perfectly. And by default, you know what, Mahesh? You are talking the call of time.
Mhm.
What you spoke right now,
जी.
it is the call of time. Right now, in just few days, the situation will be like that, that what you said ना कि अपनी पॉजिटिविटी बचा के रखने के लिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग कीजिए।
हम्म.
जो नेगेटिव लोग हैं, जो इस
दूर
तरीके
रखो.
के एटमॉस्फेयर है और कुछ भी ऐसा क्रिएट करता है,
दूर
उसके
रखो.
पास मत जाइए, उससे दूर हो जाइए।
And
ये
most
सिंपल
of,
सॉल्यूशन।
because a lot of people, what I've noticed is वो आपके लिए कभी खुश नहीं होते because they want to compare themselves with you, you know, and वो comparison में if they stand up a little higher, do they feel happy? If they stand up a little lower, they feel jealous and irritated. Best is ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहो. सीधी सी बात है.
करेक्ट,
Who are going to constantly be evaluating you,
करेक्ट,
you know, तो ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहो.
करेक्ट।
So, you know, one has to be aware के who do you interact with, and I'm talking friends, especially because दोस्त बनाना हमारे ऊपर होता है.
एब्सोल्युटली,
You know, so you keep, वैसे संगत का असर ही होता है. So choose your friends wisely.
एब्सोल्युटली।
Choose your friends wisely कि who's going to make you feel good, you know, and always, because if you feel good, you will live a longer and happier life, and you'll be able to be a happy, positive inspiration for somebody else.
ब्यूटीफुल,
Yeah.
वेरी नाइस।
So
Mahesh, you have written 2 books,
जी.
right?
Mhm.
one is I quote you spoke
Yeah,
about.
I quotes. That's right.
Yeah.
Right.
And the other one is little magical. I
Yeah,
read
so
that name.
So I'll just show it to you.
Yeah.
So one is
It is released now on Amazon.
Yeah, absolutely. It's there on Amazon, Apple Books.
Yeah.
It's there.
Yeah.
So that is one is I quotes,
Huh.
which is very much people have liked it. They purchased it and
Huh.
acha raha
Huh.
hai. And the other is this, the Oath of the Unohan.
The Oath of the
Unohan.
Unohan.
Yeah. So this is available now. This is a fiction. Now
Okay.
बोलोगे क्या है fiction में?
Huh.
तो इसकी कहानी ये है कि
हाँ.
I had written a film, Legend of Tarsnam. I'd written a film.
Okay.
Yeah, and
You wrote a film.
I wrote a film. Yeah, I was supposed to start, direct, make a movie.
Okay.
In the process, and then COVID happened.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so that project is ready,
Hmm.
but that project is somewhere here.
Hmm.
So how we get to this story is this book, The
Okay.
Oath of the Unohan. So it's a prelude to the actual film.
Okay. Prequel.
The
kind
prequel,
of.
ऐसे
Yeah.
कहते हैं.
Yeah.
So it's very detailed.
Huh.
And it's something which, if you are a avid reader,
Huh.
epic fantasy जिसे कहते हैं.
I love.
Epic fantasy is to do with the types of Harry Potter and
Yes,
Lord of
yes,
the
yes,
Rings, and
yes,
one
yes.
of those. So इसमें भी कुछ ऐसी कहानी है. It's
Hmm.
about a tribe which is a hidden tribe which lives in the Himalayan mountain range,
Oh.
right?
Okay.
And there is a breakaway from that tribe called Tarsnem,
Okay.
who is living in our world here.
Okay.
Okay, and हमारे जो hero है वो उनको यहाँ मिलते हैं
Hmm.
in this world, and how it's a face off between Tarsnim and so the script is very powerful. I don't want to narrate the script to you
Hmm.
right now,
No.
but the book, the
Hmm.
prequel, is much more interesting in my view as a writer,
Hmm.
because a lot of things which are not answered in the film,
Hmm.
you will know only after you read the
Book.
book.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? So it's 357 pages, 358 pages.
Yeah.
Nice book.
Yeah.
Pick it up, read it if you're interested. You know, and
Definitely.
we've got this book called I Quotes,
Huh.
which I wrote. I Quotes is a table. They're quotes,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So हर page में एक quote है.
Huh.
You open one page, is one quote, and you can just think of that quote for the day.
Hmm.
So उसमें करीब 200 quotes है, 200
Hmm.
quotes.
Hmm.
So that's also available on Amazon.
Hmm.
I Quotes, QUOT.
Yeah. Quote everybody knows.
हाँ,
Yeah.
so it's not.
Definitely.
लोगों ने बोला किस किस के quotes है, मैंने बोला they're spiritual quotes. अच्छा किसने लिखे हैं, मैंने बोला please आप पढ़ लो, आप समझ जाओगे. It's, it's a very thin line between trying to express what you want to say
Huh.
and people thinking something else altogether. और फिर बोला आपने लिखा है, अरे आप spiritual कब से बन गए,
Huh.
आप writer कब से बन गए,
हाँ.
these by the time I said are you interested in the work or interested in how I did it,
Yeah.
so the
Yeah.
work is out there, so
Absolutely.
आप पढ़ सकते हो all of you all,
Yeah.
but yeah,
So I'm here for
हाँ.
them to know that how you did it.
हाँ, right.
Right?
Right.
So that if they listen to you, when they listen to you,
जी.
this, they will understand how it flows
Yes, yes.
and what you know about
Yes.
this particular thing.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Mahesh, life is beautiful, what you are writing and you're performing and your world and acting and everything. But still, challenges, they don't go away.
जी.
Challenges are always there in life,
जी.
right? I know certain challenges are there in your life. If you want to speak, you can speak, or you can give a thought about like everything is not going to be perfect all the time.
Mhm.
So when the challenge comes, what do you do and how do you tackle it?
Okay, so I don't know if you're aware, but some time back there was a big issue which happened in my life
Mm.
where I was swindled for 5 crores 43 lakhs. It came
Mm.
in the papers also.
Mm.
सबके दिमाग में यही सवाल था कि कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ, आप इतने बेवकूफ़ हो, इतने डफर हो, ये है वो है.
Mm.
Keep all those things aside. वो कैसे हुआ, सब हुआ, वो सारा सामने है.
Mm.
FIR was put in place,
Mm.
and things went from there to catching the person who was
Mm.
indicted.
Mm.
तो वो मेरा struggle रहा है
Mm.
in life. It was a
Mm.
very difficult phase of my life because that man who did it, he should have understood that he's not fighting me,
Hmm.
he's fighting the universe, because
Hmm.
अगर मेरे सर पे भगवान का हाथ है,
Hmm.
he's not going to get away.
Hmm.
And not only with me, if he's planning to even swindle some other people in life, आगे चल के उसको लगता है,
Hmm.
he has to know the power of God,
Yes.
which is much more stronger
Yeah.
than his evil intentions.
Yeah. Yeah.
So वो मेरे साथ हुआ है.
Hmm.
एंड लेकिन मेरी जिंदगी में उस वक्त फरिश्ते भी आए थे.
Hmm.
माय लॉयर,
Hmm.
माय फ्रेंड्स.
Hmm.
मेरा एक दोस्त ऐसा था जो, मैं उसके बारे में क्या बताऊं, मतलब
Hmm.
ही इज अनदर, ही जस्ट विंग्स आर मिसिंग फ्रॉम हिज बैक. और मेरे जो लॉयर दोस्त,
हाँ.
ही आल्सो, उसके भी विंग्स
हाँ.
आर मिसिंग फ्रॉम हिज बैक.
हाँ.
बिकॉज whenever you talk of a cheating case,
हाँ.
you talk of people wanting to settle.
हाँ.
कि मतलब 5 crores 40 थी ना, चलो इसको सेटल करते हैं,
हाँ.
पैसे नहीं मिलने वाले, 3 ले ले, बंद कर दे, ये कर
हाँ.
दो, वो कर दो.
हाँ.
तो द पीपल हु आर इन फ्रंट,
हाँ.
who you've given the reins to,
हाँ.
they are like, you have to trust them from your heart and soul.
Absolutely.
तो मेरे जो लॉयर थे,
Hmm.
मिस्टर अय्याज खान,
Hmm.
he's been he has been fighting my case
Hmm.
tooth and nail.
Hmm.
कभी पीछे नहीं हटेगा.
Hmm.
He had to fight some very big lawyers which they put in forward.
Hmm.
He fought them all because we have all the proof.
Hmm.
We have everything,
Hmm.
and we are not going to settle.
Hmm.
तुमको जाना है जेल जाओ, जो भी
Hmm.
है. So the point is that मुश्किलें मेरी जिंदगी में आई,
Hmm.
इसलिए आई because I was not well versed with the law.
Hmm.
ये जो law है, which
Hmm.
we all talk about,
Hmm.
the 420 law,
Hmm.
your cheating law, how you
Hmm.
go about filing a case, how
Hmm.
you go about filing an FIR,
Hmm.
how you go about this. I feel most of the audience who are sitting in their homes don't know.
Don't know.
उन लोग को
I
पता नहीं,
agree. Agree.
and आधे तो डरते हैं just to go to the police station.
Absolutely.
मतलब पुलिस ने बोला, अरे बाबा क्या होगा?
Hmm.
Literally that's the case.
Hmm.
But my experience
Hmm.
is the police is there to help you.
Hmm.
If you are in the right,
Hmm.
आपका कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता.
Fact.
कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता, because the law is there to protect every citizen of India.
Absolutely.
So if you're a citizen of India,
Hmm.
number one, do not be afraid to approach the police if wrong has been done to you.
Hmm.
ये सबसे पहले अपने दिमाग से वो भय निकाल दो, वो डर निकाल दो.
Fact.
Most of the people feel ऐसा होगा, वैसा होगा, because ये जितने भी नेगेटिव, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था ना, नेगेटिव लोगों से दूर रहो.
Zero.
Exactly for this reason.
Yeah.
कि मैं, which I was surrounded by a lot of people,
Hmm.
lot of negative people.
Hmm.
How will you do FIR? मैं तो कहता हूँ सेटलमेंट करो, कोई
Hmm.
कुछ कह रहा है, कोई कुछ कह रहा है. मैंने बोला, I have not done anything wrong. मैंने
Hmm.
गलत क्या किया?
Hmm.
I've been swindled.
Hmm.
मतलब क्या लोग मुझ पे हंसेंगे? हंसने दो, मेरे पैसे गए हैं भाई.
Hmm.
I will get my money back.
Hmm.
I will go through the law. मेरे को 10 साल लगे, 20 साल लगे, मैं लड़ूंगा. अपने
Hmm.
पैसे भाई, मैंने मेहनत की कमाई है.
Hmm.
I'm not going to just let it go like that.
Fact.
So I did that. I
Hmm.
went ahead with the challenge, and because my faith was there in
Hmm.
God, and
Hmm.
God sent me angels.
Hmm.
जो मेरी जिंदगी में है, वो सारे फरिश्ते थे.
Hmm.
एंड ट्रस्ट मी, अगर लोग बोलते कि सारे बुरे लोग हैं, नहीं भाई,
Hmm.
अच्छे लोग भी है.
Hmm.
और अच्छे लोग आपको तब मिलेंगे जब आपका दिल साफ हो. That's how
Hmm.
it's,
Such.
you know.
Such.
So
Kind of a vibration you send out, that kind of vibration you get back in.
absolutely.
Fact.
और मुझे ये बात समझ में नहीं आई जो मैं आज कहना चाहता हूँ. उस पागल इंसान को मिला क्या? उसको मिला क्या? उसने अपने फैमिली को तकलीफ में डाला. He is a father, he's got a daughter, he's got a family. Everybody suffered. For what?
When you do wrong, you suffer.
पूरी
It's-
फैमिली को क्यों सफर करवाया यार?
Absolutely.
तुम्हारे मन में गंदगी थी तो तुमने फैमिली को क्यों खींचा बीच में? इतना भी कॉमन सेंस नहीं है. तो मुझे मैं इस बात से हैरान हूं, और कुछ नहीं. I'm a little shocked. I don't want to go into the details of the case because
Yeah.
case अभी
That
भी
is
चल रहा है.
okay. Yeah.
But
yeah.
just to let you know that
Hmm.
if bad people are there, there are also very good people in the
Yes.
world.
Yes. There are. And what you mention about the law, that is the fact. I have also gone through in my life 80 cases. Now they have reduced to something around 10, 15 or so. So that same approach was there previously when it initiated. Police, court, I am scared. Half the times I have not gone to the court. मेरे नाम के warrants निकले हैं and I've out of fear I have not gone. But once I started facing my challenges, seeing through them directly face to face in the eye of the fear, the things have vanished. Naturally, divine's grace is there, God's guidance is there, lot of angel फरिश्ते जैसे लोग मेरी भी जिंदगी में हैं जिनकी वजह से मैं ये यहाँ तक नेविगेट कर पा रही हूँ लाइफ को. पर औरत हो या आदमी हो, उनको लॉ जानना बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
और ये ना एक्चुअली मैंडेटरी होना चाहिए स्कूल से. बेसिक बेसिक लॉज हमारी जो सारी स्कूल्स हैं उसके अंदर ये बेसिक लॉज जो है वो बच्चों के नॉर्मल एजुकेशन में होने चाहिए कि आपके क्या हक है, आपके क्या राइट्स है, आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए. आप कब जा सकते हो, कब नहीं जा सकते हो, कितने बजे के बाद, लाइक रात को 8 बजे के बाद कोई भी पुलिस किसी भी औरत को पकड़ कर लेके जा नहीं सकती. वॉट एवर वारंट इज देयर और नॉट देयर, बट दैट्स नॉलेज हैज टू बी देयर. So I completely agree with you, and I appreciate that so beautifully you handle things, in life, and still you keep that bright smile
I try.
and that positive
वो
attitude.
तो करना ही पड़ता है. So that's the way God wants you to live on this planet. ये सारा उसी का तो बनाया हुआ है. अगर आप यहाँ पर खुश नहीं होंगे तो वहां जाकर क्या खुशी दोगे? गॉड से मैंने तो ये धरती बनाई है तुम्हें खुश रहने के लिए. यहाँ पे I've given you flowers, I've given you food, I've given you the beautiful seas, the mountains, friends, family. तो और क्या चाहिए? अगर तुम उसको स्वर्ग नहीं समझते हो तो ऊपर स्वर्ग nothing like what this is over here. इसको स्वर्ग बनाओ. That's the way you should look at life. That's the way I see.
Right,
You know.
right. Which right now you are doing a very ongoing show, right?
बंद हो गया वो. मेरा रोल खत्म हो गया उसमें. बंद नहीं हुआ, मेरा रोल हाँ.
I love it.
हाँ, वो मेरा रोल, वो उस कैरेक्टर को उन लोगों ने मार दिया. तो मेरा वो अब मैं डेट से अवेलेबल हूँ. अब मैं मेरा प्ले चल रहा है स्टैंड अप मिस्टर खुराना.
Okay.
तो वो इट्स अ हिंदी कॉमेडी शो.
हाँ.
वी आर डूइंग शोज हियर एंड देयर. वो चल रहा है.
Okay.
और एक डीडी शो में कर रहा हूँ. फिलहाल वो है. और एक दो वेब सीरीज चल रही है.
You're doing web series also?
Yeah.
What is it? Can you?
There are some seasons right now. They're not titled. One is releasing right now called GOAT, GOAT.
Okay.
And one is on release also, which is where I play Raja Hari Singh.
Okay.
That's also coming on JioStar.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all unreleased projects which are all in the pipeline to release. Baatein chal rahi hai for season 2 and stuff like that. So chal raha hai. Touch wood. Kaam hai.
Yeah. And your both the sons are not in India, right?
No, they're in Canada studying as of now. Yeah.
Quite old enough.
Old enough, yeah.
Yeah.
बड़े हो गए. In fact, I just put a post of them just 10 years back, 2015 and now 2025.
Huh.
They all like become so big and I'm like, yeah, I want my babies back. इतने बड़े हो गए इतनी जल्दी, Also your kids, they become so big.
Yes.
So quick.
We used to be like same school parents.
Yeah.
Jamna bhai.
क्या हो गया यहाँ पे?
We used to meet in PTA meetings and all.
Yes.
I want to know, Mahesh, in that whole crux of your life, you spoke and you said a lot of beautiful things and a lot of inspiring things, which will drive people's life in a very beautiful way. I want to know day to day what kind of practices you do. Like you meditate in now I'm talking about.
So meditation for me, पहले I used to take out time जब मैं पैनामा में था. वो शाम को जब मैं काम से वापस आता था, before dinner I used to meditate, then have dinner and go to sleep. That I used to take about. पहले बोलते थे you need to do 15-20 मिनट करना था. मुझसे 3 मिनट नहीं होता. Sit quiet, blank out your mind. वो सब मैंने कोशिश की. Then through practice, the meditation happened. I used to manage to sit for 15 minutes. Then it became to 20, but 20 was the maximum I went to. 20 minutes to be in quiet takes a lot, because you're young at that time.
Yeah.
But then there was another way of meditating which I started following, which is it's called being awake when you're awake. मतलब अगर मैं यहाँ से बाहर जा रहा हूँ, दरवाजा खोल के, let's say I leave out, so I will notice the flower pot, I will notice the light, I will notice this thing, I'll notice everything. Being aware. And when I used to leave the room, I used to try to imagine what I have seen.
Hmm.
कपड़े के It's like trying to improve your photographic memory.
Hmm.
तो ये करने से you're increasing your awareness. So that was the second type of meditation I used to do.
Hmm.
All right. ये ऐसा करने से then you could recall कि मैं उस दिन क्या कर रहा था, क्या बात कर रहा था. So what happens? You start living in the now.
Yeah.
You start living in the now. So the ability to live in the now was the second type of meditation which I used to practice.
Hmm.
One thing is putting yourself, okay, let things happen, you're closing.
Hmm.
And one thing is living in the now.
Yeah.
जो सबसे बड़ा जो miracle है is now.
Absolutely. And that is the challenge.
Yeah. So your awareness to improve it
Hmm.
is start becoming aware of your surroundings, and automatically you'll become aware of what you speak,
Hmm.
what you hear,
Hmm.
and how things process in your head.
Hmm.
कि अगर कोई गलत बात है, you can be aware of it. You will
Hmm.
stop reacting to that person immediately. आप अपने reactions भी slow करोगे.
Hmm.
Because whenever we react to somebody, we are reacting out of habit.
Hmm.
कि उसका जवाब ऐसे होता है,
Hmm.
इसका जवाब. तो वो ऐसे जवाब देने से 4 गुना खराब हो जाती है चीजें,
Hmm.
वो नहीं सोचते हैं.
Hmm.
पर जवाब ऐसे होता है.
Hmm.
तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली आपके अंदर वो ठहराव आ जाता है. This is
Hmm.
the way I look at life. So
Hmm.
that's how I started meditating,
Hmm.
is living in the now,
Hmm.
which is very difficult. Trust me, it's very difficult.
It is. It is.
But
It is.
it's easier to just close your eyes and meditate.
Yeah.
All right. तो ये जो प्रैक्टिस मैंने पिकअप किया है is
Hmm.
what made me much more of a calmer person.
Hmm.
And then when I do my meditation, whenever I can, मैं
Hmm.
करता हूँ,
Hmm.
it's very easy to meditate. And
Hmm.
रात को जब मैं 15-20 minutes अपने आँख बंद करके when I ध्यान लगाता हूँ
Hmm.
यहाँ पे, it's easier.
Hmm.
So when you're awake, living in the now is very important.
Yeah.
Because when you're also meditating, you
Hmm.
will be in the now when you meditate.
Yeah.
Yes,
Absolutely.
that's what it is.
So this you've been practicing since how
Oh,
long?
सालों से. That's the reason you say that Mahesh is so calm. So it's because I practice living in the now.
Yeah.
कि कुछ भी हो, ये वक्त इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Hmm.
कल इम्पोर्टेंट है, जरूर है,
Hmm.
लेकिन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इज नाउ. बिकॉज आज इस वक्त कुछ खराब हो गया ना, कल का आप देखोगे नहीं.
नहीं
यू वोंट
पकड़.
बी एबल टू सी टुमारो.
True.
यू नो, सो
True.
टेक केयर ऑफ द नाउ. ये वक्त संभालो.
True. True.
यू नो,
Absolutely.
दैट्स द वे.
Yeah. It's kind of trippy also. I feel like the moment I was just looking at you, I thought कि एक second के लिए I brought my complete attention to this moment.
The moment is important.
Yeah, and this very moment, I suddenly became aware of all the setup and everything, and you know what you spoke about, and it's like it's beautiful.
So एक बहुत ही famous saying है ना, it's life is not about how many breaths you take, but it's how many moments which take your breath away.
Wow,
Yeah.
that is beautiful quote. I know,
It's a
and
quote.
it's a
हाँ,
beautiful.
पता नहीं
quote.
किसका लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन I've always maintained that.
Yeah,
बहुत
but
ही
it is a
खूबसूरत.
beautiful quote,
Yes,
and it is like really worth remembering.
yes.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
if you absorb the now,
Yeah,
it's the best you can do.
yeah. You, besides doing the practices and acting and writing, anything which you love to do, adventures or in your life?
I like traveling. I
Yeah.
like traveling. I like seeing new places. ये
Uh-huh.
एक है कि मुझे ये I just love seeing new places. I love gadgets. You know, कोई भी नया gadget
That
आता
I
है.
saw
You know,
when
I always
she was
like to,
setting up.
yeah. So new चीजें जो निकलती है मार्केट में क्या है, because सारे आविष्कार है. You like to know all the new things which come out in the market. I'm just curious about it.
Uh-huh.
You know, so yeah, I like to.
Yeah.
I just a knowledge seeker, I would say. जहाँ पर भी you get to seek knowledge,
Uh,
get knowledge, I would love that. So I don't like to hang out with people who are, you know, not very well aware of things, but who can give me knowledge. मैं उनकी बातें सुनना मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Basically, you want to
I
absorb.
want to absorb. मैं इसलिए I'm more of a listener.
Okay.
कि भाई आपको कुछ है शेयर करने के लिए बताओ.
हाँ.
I will listen to you.
अच्छा.
That's it.
So that is why you can write, no?
Yeah.
When you can, your imagination is good, so
Yeah.
you can just process and just bring it on paper.
Yeah, well, I try.
Correct, correct. Nice, very beautiful. Mahesh, we have had a beautiful conversation.
जी.
If I'm missing out something, I would like you to add
Mhm.
right now. And I would like you to give some beautiful message to the youth also who is really die hard trying to enter the film industry,
Mhm.
because I know lots of youngsters from our friend circle only. They think that कि ये अगर इस समय नहीं हुआ तो मेरी जिंदगी में मेरा क्या होगा,
Mhm.
मेरा पैशन खत्म हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा.
Mhm.
So since you've been there in this industry and lots of experiences have happened with you, it'll be nice if you give little guideline to them to flow.
Okay, that's easy to do, not
Yeah.
difficult.
Yeah.
सबसे पहले that if somebody wants to be an actor, you have to have a heart of steel. Okay, because सबसे पहले you're going to be rejected left, right and center. मतलब आप दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत लड़की हो सकती हो, सबसे हैंडसम लड़के हो सकते हो, बेस्ट बॉडीज, बेस्ट एवरीथिंग, बेस्ट डायलॉग डिलीवरी, everything perfect, and you still get a rejection. So the first thing to imbibe or get yourself prepared is for rejections. If you can be rejected 10 times, then you can say, yes, I might join the industry. If you can get rejected 20 times, you could join the industry. But if you can get rejected 100 times and still stand strong as if nothing's happened, then my friend, you've already joined the industry. Okay? Because the industry is about rejection. Okay? Number two, the industry is about luck. It's not to do with your talent. Okay? कई बार ऐसी ऐसी चीजें होती है कि आप सोचते हो कि अच्छा ये कैसे हो गया, ये स्टार कैसे बन गया, ये हीरोइन कैसे बन गई, ये कैसे हो गया, वो कैसे हो... इन लोग ने किया क्या, अरे मैं तो इससे बेटर दिखती हूँ, मैं तो इससे बेटर एक्टिंग कर सकता हूँ. नॉट टू डू विद दैट. इट्स बीइंग एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम. ओके, तो ये चीजें प्लीज पकड़ के रखो. नेक्स्ट, व्हेनेवर यू आर फ्री, इंप्रूव योर स्किल्स. अगर आपको लगता है कि बिना स्किल के आपको काम मिलेगा, वो ऐसा नहीं होता है. व्हेन यू आर फ्री, इंप्रूव योर स्किल्स, गेट योरसेल्फ अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट, एक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, शूट योर वीडियोस. आजकल तो ये कैमरा फोन्स आ गए हैं, तो यू कैन इजीली शूट योर वीडियो, शो इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज, इंप्रूव ऑन इट, एंड जस्ट कीप योर रेपर्टोर ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंसेज रेडी. नंबर 4, अगर आप 4 दोस्त मिल सकते हो तो अपने यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाओ. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग. यू हैव अ वाइड ऑडियंस ऑन यूट्यूब. कोई
Absolutely.
आपको देख सकता है, आपको उठा सकता है. मतलब देयर इज, people are getting so many views on things, so you have a platform already. Don't have to wait for somebody to give you a job.
Absolutely.
You create your own, right? If you got a good script, you got good performances, you'll get your audience, you know.
True.
So just, if you're an actor, be an actor from heart, अंदर से. Don't do it for the fame. आप फेम के पीछे भागोगे, वो दूर भागेगा तुमसे दूर भागेगा. Do it for the love of the profession, which is the only thing I can say.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Beautiful.
है ना?
Coming from the master.
No master, Baba.
The
This is my
master class.
experience. Yes.
5 minutes master class from Mahesh Thakur.
5 minutes master class. Okay.
It was so nice talking to you, Mahesh.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
having me.
so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me on the show. It was wonderful to interact with a friend.
Yes.
बहुत सालों बाद मिले हैं, अच्छा
Yes.
लगता है.
Yes. I am so amazed now, Mahesh. Even if like it is time to close the conversation,
हाँ.
I feel like और भी कुछ एस्ट्रल कहानियां होंगी जो मैं मिस कर रही हूँ.
Next podcast. तब तक और भी सब बहुत सारे हो जाएंगे. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much for watching us, exploring चित की बात. आपको हमारे पॉडकास्ट अच्छे लगते हैं और आपको वो इंस्पायर करते हैं तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा. पता नहीं कब किसकी ज़िंदगी बदल जाए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू महेश.